Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Today I am going to share a high calcium, iron, protein and fiber rich Ragi and banana smoothie. Fuel your morning intense workouts or training sessions with this pre-workout Ragi and banana smoothie. It provides long-lasting energy throughout your workout session due to its slow release of carbohydrates, which further results in high-level performance. This smoothie will increase your endurance and prevents muscle cramps. The protein content in ragi helps in faster muscle repair and recovery after your intense workouts. Smoothies are the best breakfast option and are very easy to prepare with high nutritive content. They are easily digestible and keeps you full for a longer time. You can have this smoothie at least 1 hour before your workout or training session. The secret ingredient which I am going to add in this recipe will help to increase your bone density and also prevents bone fractures during your training sessions. So, without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Into a deep cooking vessel, add 2 cups of water and boil it. Meanwhile, take 2.5 tablespoons of sprouted ragi flour, add half cup of water into it and mix it very well into a smooth paste. Now, when the water starts to boil, add this ragi paste into it. Ragi is also called as finger millet. It is a good source of calcium, iron and fiber and is naturally gluten free. Now stir it continuously till it becomes thick. Now switch off the flame and allow it to cool completely. Into a blender jar, add 1 big whole banana, 1 whole apple slices, 2 de-seeded medjool dates, 1 apricot, 15 to 20 overnight soaked and peeled almonds, 2 walnuts, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon of half an hour soaked chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of dry roasted makhana powder. This is made with makhana, which is also called as foxnuts or lotus seeds. It is a good source of calcium and phosphorus, which are crucial for strong bones and teeth. It also helps in maintaining bone density, which further helps in preventing bone fractures. Add 1 tablespoon of organic honey and now add 1 cup of cooked and cooled ragi mixture. Then finally I am adding 1 cup of boiled and cooled desi cow milk into it. You can add any milk of your choice. Close it with a lid and blend it really well into a fine smoothie. Now pour this blended smoothie into a serving glass. And top up with a few pumpkin seeds for the added crunchiness. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, share this to your friends and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.